This is Heidi from R Enterprises with a 5-minute walk-around video of ReMAN ambulance number 9946. It is in new condition. It is an AEV module mounted on a new 2026 Ford E450. It is 2-wheel drive. Your mileage is under 100. It is equipped with a 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine. Your overall length is 275 inches. Your overall height is 108 inches, and your headroom is 72 inches. It has all new paint. It has a new aluminum diamond plate package with a rear flip-up step. It has all new rub rails, new Fenderettes, Whelen LED lighting. It is also equipped with a new Whelen Siren and speakers. This unit is available for sale immediately and comes with a full factory delayed start warranty. Your left front compartment houses your automatic Zico oxygen lift. It has storage above that houses your suction pump. Your L2 compartment has a fire extinguisher bracket and shelf. Your L3 compartment has ample storage for a spare tire or some SCBA gear. It is equipped with an all-new Customile shoreline with a shoreline indicator letting you know if it's charging, fully charged, or not getting adequate power. This unit is equipped with all new paddle latches, new rotary latches, new gaskets, and new nadir pins. As you can see, it already has your new striker floor rail, ready for your new power load and power cot. It has all new plexiglass aft action area, left side CPR seat, and your forward action area houses your oxygen outlets, your suction, waste, and sharps container. You will see it comes with a new rear switch panel. And it also comes with an all-new RC-tronic electrical system. With that new electrical system and that rear switch panel, you also get a new front switch panel and console. It has a new EVS attendant seat with the child integration. In your ALS stack, you have a refrigerator, storage in the middle, the slide-out drawer, spare parts kit, and a double-door storage below. On your passenger side, you have your squad bench, storage below, and glove storage at the rear. Your right rear compartment houses your backboards. You have another small storage at your right rear. And your battery compartment houses 2 additional batteries, one under hood. If you have any questions or would like additional information on ReMAN ambulance number 9946, please give us a call at 833-736-6868 or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.